Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the kitchen again, and today I am making cornstarch chunks. This has no nutritional value. I do not consume. I basically just make it to satisfy my pica craving. So I crunch on it, squeak on it, and then I spit it out. The video is fairly self-explanatory, so I will not be talking throughout the video, guys. So continue watching, and if there's anything that you crave for that is not edible, drop it in the comment section and let's talk about it. And this is how I store them, guys, so let's start making it. So that is what I'm talking about, guys. Did you hear that crunch? Yes, it's almost like chalk. The texture, it is so satisfying. So these are called the chunks, and I just basically crunch on them. And this is how I store them. So I keep the chunks in one container by itself. I keep the crumbles in one container by itself, and the crumbs in another container, and powder I keep that by itself. So some evenings when I get home from work, I might feel to just crunch on a chunk. I might feel to just eat some of the crumbles, or I might even just eat some of the powder, but like I said, I do not consume. Guys, the crunch is everything. It is so satisfying. So thank you all for watching. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye. Peace out.